Do you need hot water?
Yes.
Is your boiler malfunctioning?
Yes.
Do you want to save the planet but don't know how?
Yeah. Look no more, because we have the solution to all of your problems. We have the solar water heater. And it can heat water.
And can it make another thing?
Shut up, random annoying kid.
Damn it.
But no, it can only heat water.
That's it.
Calm down, fam. You're a really tough public. Anyway, you may be wondering, how does this boiler work?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you asked, but first, we need to call a friend of mine.
The water will pass through the holes, and the sun will heat the water, and a greenhouse effect will occur in the bottles.
Yeah, but how hot?
Like me. The water will heat sooner or later, depending on the temperature, but it will also heat in cold climate.
Thanks, Lord Eddie. Now we will go to the World Wide Web University to talk with the memist Lisette, with a degree on mimeology. And she will explain to us the necessity of a product for the planet.
This project has the intent of reducing the ecological footprint by reusing plastic bottles that were thrown into the garbage. We hypothesize that the amount of energy used to make the solar water heater should be less than the standard home boiler.
Aren't you convinced that our product is awesome? Call now to the number on screen and you will get a solar water heater, and we will include free a silver spoon.